Can you tell what type of inheritance pattern this pedigree shows? For this pedigree, we're only going to focus on autosomal dominant and recessive traits. Remember, in pedigrees, squares are males and circles are females. The two individuals here at the top are the parents, and these four individuals are the offspring, and they're all siblings. Let's start with the autosomal dominant inheritance. Remember that you need at least one dominant allele to have the trait in an autosomal dominant inheritance. So that means these individuals have to have at least one big A. They can be big A or big A, little a. However, none of these offspring have the trait. So they are all going to be little a, or homozygous recessive. Now, is there a case where all of these offspring don't have the trait but the parents do? The answer is yes. If both of these parents are heterozygous big A, little a, then all of these offspring can be little a, little a. Now, is it likely? No, but it still can happen. So this can show an autosomal dominant inheritance. Let's look at autosomal recessive now. In this type of inheritance, you have to have two recessive alleles, like little a, little a. If both of these parents are little a, that means all of these offspring also have to be little a, little a. That's because each parent can only give a recessive allele to the offspring. And since none of these offspring have that trait, then this cannot show an autosomal recessive inheritance. So this pedigree only shows autosomal dominant, not autosomal recessive inheritance.